If you need to update your SNAP or EBT card information in the DoorDash app, the process is simple and only takes a few minutes. Start by opening the app and signing into your account. Tap your profile icon, then go to Payment Methods. From there, you can either edit your existing EBT card or select Add Payment Method and choose EBT. Enter your 16-digit card number, expiration date if applicable, and follow the prompts to verify your identity. For security, you may receive a verification code by text or email before the update is completed. Most changes show up instantly, though in some cases it can take up to 24 hours to fully sync. To successfully use your SNAP EBT card on DoorDash, your benefits must be active and the store must accept SNAP payments. Eligible purchases typically include approved grocery items, while restricted items like alcohol, hot prepared foods in most states, and non food products are not covered. If your card is declined due to expiration or benefit issues, contact your state's EBT agency before retrying. DoorDash also allows split payments in many areas, so you can combine EBT with a debit or credit card for fees, tips, or non eligible items.